Today we're gonna be looking for some killer clouds. Today. Yeah, we're gonna be looking for some killer clowns, you know what I'm saying, boy? So yeah. Guys, I just found one right away. Should we hide? Let's hide. Oh, they're coming. Break, boy. Alright guys, I'm in this spot and I cannot be in that spot because there's freaking frogs everywhere. And they're freaking over there somewhere. Over there. Somewhere over there. They're driving a car. Scare me to death. So yeah. Let's go in my room. And in a little bit we're freaking gonna come out, alright? Alright guys, we're in my room. Sorry it's a mess. I need to get a floor, my TV, my freaking backpack, my freaking mirror. Oh hi. Oh hi Mark. Yeah, this is my freaking mirror that I use. Oh hi me. Yeah, and that's the guitar. That's my game set. Let me show you my game. Call of Duty, Infinite Warfare, Call of Duty, Infinite... Huh? Apparently, I have two Call of Duties, No! Advanced Warfare and Infinite Warfare. And Madden 15. NBA 2K17, Grand Theft Auto. And my other games are in the front. I'm not going to show y'all my baseball. Yeah. Oh, and my hoverboard and my closet. I'm sorry that my closet's a big hot mess. Now let's go look outside. Alright guys, we're outside. Oh Jesus. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that big dog. Alright guys, I'm ending the vlog right here. This is gonna be it. I hope y'all like, subscribe. That's it for today's video.